Now we can discuss exercise 9.1. First question. List 5 rational numbers between. Okay. You can see 4 questions. First question is -1 and 0. We have to find 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. That is -1 and 0. We have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rational numbers. Clear? How can we find out? We know that after 0, -1 is there, then -2 and so on. Between these two numbers, there will be many numbers. Infinite numbers will be there. So how can we find out 5 rational numbers? Here, we know that -1 is equal to -1 on 1. Value will be same. Then 0 is equal to 0 on 1. Okay, the value is same. So, here 5 rational numbers. We have to find 5 rational numbers. That is 5 plus 1. How many are there? That plus 1. So, 6 will be there. So, we can multiply these new fractions, that is -1 on 1 and 0 on 1 are rational numbers. We can multiply both the numerator and denominator by 6. Okay, which is equal to -1 times 6, -6. Then 1 times 6, 6 itself. Then 0 on 1 times 6. Then here also times 6 is equal to 0 on 6. Now we can write, instead of this -1 and 0, we can write new rational numbers, that is -6 on 6 and 0 on 6. Between these two rational numbers, we can write here -6 on 6. Here will be -5 on 6. Here -4 on 6. -3 on 6. Then -2 on 6, -1 on 6 and 0 on 6. Clear? So now we can say these rational numbers are between -6 on 6 and 0 on 6. Okay. So we can say these are the 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. We know that -1 and 0 is equal to -6 on 6 and 0 on 6 respectively. Because we converted -1 equal to -1 on 1 as rational number and 0 equal to 0 on 1 as rational number. Okay. There is one more trick. That is, the given numbers are -1 and 0. First, we can find the correct middle number of this -1 and 0. How can we find out? We have to add these two numbers, -1 and 0, and divide by 2. That is -1 on 2. Do you have any doubt? So, we can say -1 on 2 is a rational number between -1 and 0. Do you have any doubt? How can we clear it? Here we can draw a number line. This is 0 and this is -1. Middle will be -1 on 2 now. Clear? Again numbers will be there. That is between these two numbers. Okay. And between these two numbers. Clear? Then again from these two numbers. Okay. And these two numbers. We can find many infinite number of rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Add the two rational numbers and divide by 2. Now we got the pattern -1, -1 on 2 and 0. Okay, this is the first rational number. Then we can find another rational number. How can we find out? We can add these two numbers, that is -1 and -1 on 2, divide by 2. Then how can we do? -1 plus -1 on 2, that is equal to -1.5 divided by 2. Here we can change this into improper fraction. That is 1 times 2, 2, 2 plus 1, negative 3 on 2. This 2, maybe you will get, how can we write? This is actually divided by 2, no? Then how can we divide? We can take the reciprocal of second fraction and multiply. Okay, so we can write negative 3 on 4. So now we can write negative 3 on 4 is another number, another rational number between negative 1, negative 3 on 4. Clear? Between these two rational numbers, negative 3 on 4 is a rational number between negative 1 and negative 1 on 2. Do you have doubt? I will clear it by drawing our number line. Here negative 1, here 0, here half will be there. Which half? Negative half. Here will be negative 3 on 4. Clear? Here will be negative 1 on 4. Can we check? Next we can find the rational numbers between negative 1 on 2 and 0. That is negative 1 on 2 plus 0 divided by 2. Negative 1 by 2 means negative 1 on 2 itself. Negative 1 by 2 plus 0, that number itself, divided by 2. This 2 meant by dividing by 2. Okay, then how can we do? Negative 1 on 2 times 1 on 2, reciprocal of this second fraction. Here the second rational number. Then negative 1 on 4. So we got one more number, that is negative 1 on 4 and 0. So now we got 3 rational numbers between negative 1 and 0. Can we find again? Yes, we can find again. How can we? We can take these two rational numbers. That is, so we will get another rational number between negative 1 on 4 and 0. That is negative 1 on 4 plus 0 the whole by 2, which is equal to negative 1 on 4 divided by 2. Then negative 1 on 4 times 1 on 2, which is equal to negative 1 by 8. Clear? Now we can say negative 1 on 4 after this negative 1 on 8 and 0. Clear? Then we found 4 rational numbers. Next we can find another rational number between this or between this. That is negative 1 on 8 plus 0. You can consider any two rational numbers. Clear? But one thing is there, when you are considering these two rational numbers and these two's middle we are finding, we have to write that rational number middle of these two itself. Now I have taken this two. So new rational number will be here. Middle of negative 1 on 8 and 0 divided by 2, which is equal to, why I am taking like this way now? Because here this last one number is 0. Adding with 0, dividing by 2 is very easy. So negative 1 by 2 divided by 2. Then negative 1 on 8 times 1 on 2, which is equal to negative 1 on 16. 8 times 2, 16. So we can say negative 1 on 8, then negative 1 on 16 and 0. So now we got 5 rational numbers between negative 1 and 0. Which all are they? Negative 3 on 4, negative 1 on 2, negative 1 on 4, negative 1 on 8, negative 1 on 16. Clear, children? I think better easy way for you is, some of you are not good in adding this rational numbers. That means you will find that will be very difficult for you. That type of children, please make the first method. You can use first method. Okay. Next question is second one, that is negative 2 and negative 1. Okay. Then how can we find out 5 rational numbers now? So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. This is the first method. Then negative 2 equal to negative 2 on 1, which is equal to, we can find, make the denominator as 6. Here 6. So 6 and here also 6. We can multiply both numerator and denominator by this 6. Okay. Here 6 itself, because 1 times 6 equal to 6. Then negative 12. Then next one, negative 1 is equal to negative 1 on 1. Here also we can multiply both numerator and denominator by this 6. Then negative 6 on 6. Then can we find rational numbers between these two rational numbers? Yes. How can we write? Negative 12 on 6 is less than, negative 11 on 6 is less than, negative 10 on 6 is less than, negative 9 on 6 is less than. Okay. Then negative 8 on 6 is less than, negative 7 on 6 is less than, negative 6 on 6. We can avoid these two, first one and last one. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can say negative 11 on 6, negative 10 on 6, negative 9 on 6, negative 8 on 6, negative 7 on 6 are 5 rational numbers between negative 2 and negative 1. Clear? Then next, by doing next method, that is, we have to add these two numbers and divide by 2. So negative 3 on 2 is the new one. Next, the pattern is negative 2, negative 3 on 2 and negative 1. Now we can add these two. So negative 2 plus negative 3 on 2 whole divided by 2. First we can do this, which is equal to, we can multiply negative 4 plus negative 3 on 2 divided by 2. That is negative 4 plus negative 3, negative 7 on 2 times 2, which is equal to negative 14 on 7. Not multiplying by 1 by 2, that is equal to negative 7 on 4. So now we can say negative 7 on 4 and negative 2. So negative 2, negative 7 on 4, negative 3 on 2, negative 1. Any one method is enough, children. Okay. Then next two we can take these two, that is negative 3 upon 2 plus negative 1 the whole by 2. Here how can we add the fractional numbers? That same method is here. Then negative 3 plus negative 2, cross multiplication. Here 1 will be the denominator, we can cross multiply. Then write it by 2, same denominator, 2 times 1, 2 itself, divided by 2. This 2 is here. Okay. Then negative 5 on 2 times 1 by 2, which is equal to negative 5 on 4. So we can write here negative 5 on 4 and negative 1. Clear? Then next we can find between these two. Negative 5 on 4 plus negative 1 the whole divided by 2. That is equal to, here 1 will be there now. We can cross multiply. Negative 5 times 1, negative 5 plus 4 times negative 1, negative 4 the whole by 4 times 1. Denominator we have to multiply 4 times 1. Okay. 4 new denominator divided by this 2. Okay. That is negative 9 by 4 times reciprocal of 2, 1 by 2, which is equal to negative 9 on 8. So here negative 9 on 8. Then negative 1. Next we can take these two numbers. Then negative 9 on 8 plus negative 1 the whole divided by 2. Okay. Then here 1 will be there. Negative 9 times 1, negative 9 plus 8 times negative 1, that is negative 8. Then 8 times 1 divided by this 2. Okay. Then negative 9 plus negative 8, negative 17 divided by 8 times 1, 8 multiplied by reciprocal of 2, 1 on 2. So negative 17 on 16 is the another number. Negative 17 on 16, then negative 1. Clear, children? Now we got 5 rational numbers between negative 1 and negative 2. Okay. Which all are they? Negative 7 on 4, negative 3 on 2, negative 5 on 4, negative 9 on 8, negative 17 on 16. Children, you can use any one method. I have done in the notebook only the first method. Here, third question is negative 4 on 5 and negative 2 on 3. Okay, negative 4 on 5 and negative 2 on 3. First, we can make these two rational numbers are like rational numbers. That is, the denominators are same. So, first we can find the LCM of denominators. Here the LCMs of denominators 5 and 3 are, there is no common factor for dividing these two numbers. So, we can multiply 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Okay, there is one common factor, that is only 1. By dividing by 1, we will get the same number itself. So, there is no use. So, we can multiply the denominators. Okay, then after then we can convert both the rational numbers into LCM as denominator. Here 15 is the LCM. 5 times 3 equal to 15, negative 4 times 3 is equal to negative 12. So, next rational number will be negative 2 on 3. This one also we have to convert into 15 as denominator. Why? Because 15 is the LCM. Then 3 times 5 is equal to 15 and negative 2 times 5 negative 10. Okay. So, now we got negative 12 on 15 and negative 10 on 15. Here, negative 12 and negative 10. Between this, it is very easy for you to say that negative 11 on 15. One fraction is there, one rational number is there. But our question is list 5 rational numbers between the given rational numbers. So, we can we can elaborate this one, the denominators as highest one. That is 12, negative 12 on 15. We can multiply by 3. Okay, this also we can multiply by 3. Maybe we will get to 45. Okay, we can make it one as some big number. Then there will be 5 rational numbers. Between that, new rational numbers. So, here 45, 12 times 3, that is negative 36. Here negative. So, negative 36 on 45. And this one, negative 10 on 15. We have to convert this also into 45 as denominator. Times 3 times 3. Negative 30. Okay. Now you got it. Negative 36 on 45 and negative 30 on 45. Now we can write some rational numbers between negative 36 on 45 and negative 30 on 45. How can we write? Here, negative 36 on 45, then negative 35 on 45, then negative 34 on 45, negative 33 on 45, 45, 32 on 45, negative 31 on 45, then last negative 30 on 45. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we got 5 rational numbers between our new rational numbers. One more, LCM of this given rational numbers denominator. Here the denominators are 5 and 3. We have to find the LCM of denominators, that is 15. After then we have to convert the rational numbers, given rational numbers, into the LCM as the denominator. So now we will get the LCM as same. Here 15 is the LCM, so we got it like this way. Now new rational numbers are negative 12 on 15 and negative 10 on 15. Here there is no, we cannot find very fast. Okay, between these two rational numbers, one will be there. One, that was negative 11 on 15. But we need more than one rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So we made the denominators are as big denominators. Just think about it and write it. Okay, you can multiply by 10, no problem. Middle you will get more rational numbers. Select any 5 of this rational number. Clear? So if instead of this 3 you can multiply by 4. Okay, by 4. Then these denominators will change, also the numerator also will change. Clear? So at the time you will get more rational numbers, more than 5 rational numbers. Okay, then you can select any 5 rational numbers from this new rational numbers. Okay, many will be there now. Many rational numbers will be there. So now we took only this 45 as the rational number. So 15 times 3, 45. Then 15 times 3, here also 45. We have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number to make this 45. Clear? Then we can write the rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Here negative 36 and negative 30. That is here negative 36 and negative 30. Between here many will be there now according to this way. So now we got negative 34, negative 33, negative 32, negative 31, then negative 30. Clear? Okay, then here negative 36. These are the rational numbers. Clear, children? Then one more question. Negative 1 on 2 and 2 on 3. We can find the LCM of 2 and 3. We know that is equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Then we have to convert the rational numbers as 6 as the denominator. Okay, 2 times 3 equal to 6. So negative 1 times 3, negative 3 on 6. Okay, then 2 on 3 also we have to convert into 6 as the denominator. Then 3 times 2, then 2 times 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, then it is very easy. We don't want to find extra rational number, new rational number we don't want to find. Middle of these two rational numbers we can find many rational numbers are there. That is negative 3 on 6 is less than negative 2 on 6, then negative 1 on 6, then negative 0 on 6, then 1 on 6. Okay, last number is 4 on 6 now. So 2 on 6, then 3 on 6, then 4 on 6. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rational numbers. Any 5 rational numbers you can select from these 6 rational numbers. Clear? I think you got the idea. Better way is make the denominators are same and then find the rational numbers between that new rational numbers.